So today we are going to discussing about how to use create with select statement with select, okay, and then how to use where clauses and
Mm-hmm.
order by class and operators,
Mm-hmm.
operators. How to use these all the operators, different type of operators. How to use those things,
Mm-hmm.
okay,
Mm-hmm.
right. So now. And then later we're going to start the functions also.
Mm-hmm.
So these are the concepts we are going to starting today.
Mm-hmm.
So far you are clear. So try to practice it once you got the access. Then you can come up with any doubts. You can let me know. Okay. Right.
Sure.
Now select create with the select statement. See if it is already table is existed. So
Mm-hmm.
if it is a table already there, you want to create any some other table based on this existing table. Okay, give me a second. Hmm. Right. Now this table is already available. Suppose if you want to create the same existing table, so how we will going to create? So now this looks like this table is not showing. I mean, we are going to changing the name. So how did you going to get that table? Understood? So
No,
you
I
we
did
have
not understand.
all objects. Okay, this is one of the table. It's provided by the Oracle. The standard all objects means you will going to see each and every object in this table. Okay, where table name like keyword. Today we will going to discuss this. Okay, like object name object name like. So mean by that. So object name like so XXGLT, right? Suppose if it is any table is there in XXGLT, automatically it will come. See, so many tables are there. So now in this only just I want into tables. So now I will going to add it into object type. I will explain you. Don't worry about this like and this all. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
So there is no any pure this XXGLT student type of table here. So that means we are changed the table yesterday. So now instead of XXGLT, you can use STUD. It is any student here. Okay, fine. We're going to create it. No issues. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now you can see we're going to create a new table. So what you want to do now? So you, already table is created. Okay. Now this is the table. So the based on the table, you will going to create the duplicate table. Hmm. Right. Now, what is the table is available? STUDENT info. is this table is available. Under this table, you want to create the duplicate table. So how we can create, madam? So this table is available now. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now how we will going to create the table based on that table? Now see, we're going to insert some data also in this table. Let me will going to insert some data into this table. Yes. So now you can help me. So if you what you know here, right?
Student info we created.
Yeah, yeah. I'm changing.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So now we created a table and we inserted some data. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So joining date, what we changed here? 1 second. 01 Oracle. Okay, that's fine. Anyhow, one record is enough. So now try to understand here. Now this information is there. Okay, now you want to create a one more table based on this table snap. Understood?
Mm-hmm.
Exactly the same structure, same data. I want to create a one more table with a different name. How we can do? So
You go
idea?
create table, different name, and the same details you'll put.
Right. So now this table is there, same table. Okay. Now along with this table, I want to create one more duplicate table.
Mm-hmm.
So any idea? Yeah. So think it. So I will tell you, don't worry. The reason I'm going to asking you, so you should have to think once and how we are doing. So based on that, you will going to understand and see now. One more I'm going to asking this. Suppose I have this table XX GLTP PO data stage table is there. So
Mm-hmm.
total six rows are there. See how much it is big table this is,
Mm-hmm.
right? The same structure, and I want to create a one more duplicate table with data. So in this case, what you can going to do? Create with select statement. So that is the what I mentioned here. So you can see. Today we are going to discussing on create with select see this create with select statement.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So create table name of the table. So what do you want to give? So you can going to give it what is that student info, right? So we created a student info xxglt student info. You can give create a table name as select star from old table name. Understood?
So you're giving a
So
new name, but
hmm,
the old structure of the table, right?
right, I want to create this whatever this select statement information is giving. Okay, I want to create a table of this.
Okay.
Understood? Whatever the select statement is going to picking the data and the table structure, the same way I want to create into one more table. Got it? So now
Yeah.
what will happen? Create table name as a select statement we are going to put in. See, table created. I hope you are able to see. Right. So now you can going to see the same structure, same data, student info table, realty table you can see. Understood? See now. Got it right? So now can you help me? I don't want to data, only structure I want to create. What we can do? So this is, I don't want this data, only the table structure I want to create. Can you tell me how I can going to do?
Create table,
Hmm.
table name.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Create table name.
Mm, For structure, we used
You understood, right? What I'm asking?
yeah, I understood. Again,
Yes.
create table. You're going to write as create table, the name of
See,
the table.
my question is previously I created a table based on the select statement. So what
Mm-hmm.
select statement is doing, whatever the select statement is picking here, so the same structure, same data, everything it is going to create a one more duplicate table. So that is
Mm-hmm.
created, you will able to see that data and structure.
Okay.
Now my question is, I don't want the data, only structure I want to create.
So you're going to write create table, the
So what was
new table
the
name as
okay,
again create table you'll
okay,
write with the old table name.
how come, you know?
Because for
Again
create
create,
table name is the only structure you're going to create, right?
that is the what. That is the what I'm going to expect. You should have to think. So create with create, the type of syntax is it's not there. Okay, don't think like that way. So here you have to use where condition. Create with select statement. So now you can give it some false condition to select 1 equal to 2. That means now what will happen? The select statement got going to failed. It will not going to give any data. Reason?
Because where clause.
Where class failed. So what will happen? Now data will not come. Only structure only will going to create. Understood?
Okay.
So table created. So now you can going to check this table. Only the structure is created. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
See, only the structure is coming. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now one more requirement is coming. You have a table. This is the one of the table. So in this table, you want to create a one table with the data on specific columns: operating unit, supplier name, and ship to bill to buyer, and item type, item code. Only this much columns I want. How I will going to create a separate table with this data, these columns. You got me?
No, I did not understand.
See, now as of now, what is the table you created? You created a complete table structure, right?
Yeah.
Whatever it is there here, you created complete table structure with the data. Next, what
Okay.
you created, this complete table structure without data you created. Now what
Okay.
I'm asking, I want to create a table on specific columns data.
So you'll mention the column.
Correct. So that is the what I'm expecting. Okay. So now you can going to mention that specific columns.
Columns. Create table
Okay.
name.
Let's first, no. First select the columns. Understood, right? What are the columns you want the separate table? So now, suppose I want operating unit. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So first you need to select the columns, right?
Mm-hmm.
So operating unit, supplier name, supplier site name, whatever it is, the columns are required. So take that columns and supplier site name, bill to location, ship to location, you can take. So whatever the columns you want, you can select this here, and then later you will going to add the create. Now ship to bill to. Forget about what is the column and what is the data. What you want, how you will going to using these things here. See now, these are the things is coming. Now I am going to adding one more column by year. Right. So this is the information you got it. Now, so what you want? The only these specific columns you want a separate table. Okay. Now what you can do? You can going to use the create keyword. Create table, table name.
As.
Okay, as this table.
Uh-huh.
Where is the table name? Table name you should have to put, right. Right. So PO supplier data, sub data. Okay, that is my
Mm-hmm.
new table name. Shall I create now?
Yes.
Hmm. Table created. Now you can go and check this PO sub data. So you know already how to create without data also, right?
Yeah.
Without data means what? You see, you have a new separate table. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now I want without data. So here it is. I'm going to putting one. Can you help me, madam, without data? How we can do?
Create table.
Same table,
It's
same thing. Just add the condition.
condition one, some junk condition
Anything
only.
false. Yes, any false condition. So table created. Understood? So now you can see there is no data.
Mm-hmm.
Now I want to insert this data into this table. See, whatever the data is there here, I want to insert into in this table. How we can do that?
Which data?
Whatever this table data, the above table data is there, I want to insert into below table.
Insert statement will use.
Yes. Okay. Insert into.
Table into table
Hmm.
name.
Okay. This is the table. I'm going to inserting. Okay.
As
Right.
as
As
that select statement.
insert with the select statement.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Where is the values? Insert. That is the what I'm telling, Mansa. You should not going to forget any time the syntaxes. Insert into table. Where is the values?
Oh, okay. Values.
Huh? So values. You no need any as keyword. Simply select statement. That's enough.
Okay.
So shall I execute now?
Yeah.
Okay, missing keyword.
As you should.
So yeah, we can going to put right. Missing
Brackets also you
expression.
have to put, I think. Select after before select one
Yeah,
bracket and bracket.
yeah. 1 second.
Mm-hmm.
No, something into something. No, value, insert into table name values. Then simply you can going to put this select statement. 1 second. Insert with the select statement. Now this is the way. So suppose the syntax we forget, again it will come the error. Okay. Insert into table name all the values also not required. 1 second. Okay, sorry. Right, this is the correct one. Okay. Now you can see down 6 rows are inserted. You got me right. Now in PO sub data 1, 6 tables are coming. So now tell me what you understand here. So you will going to do it, create with select you can do, insert with select also you can do. Got me?
Yes.
Okay. See. Now again, this is going to how big this SQL query is, you can forget about that.
Okay.
See, not only this simple select statement, suppose you want to add the where condition, you want to do the multiple tables, big SQL queries you are going to doing, yes, you can do it. Let's going to show you one more example for you. 1 second. So I try to taking some big SQL query. Okay, okay. I have some SQL query here. Understood. So now in this SQL query, what I will going to do, I will going to create a table for this. Right. So this is my SQL query. So this is the my SQL query. Okay, got me? See, now I am going to using it's a bigger SQL query. Now see here. Suppose now I don't want to pass any parameters, so just I will going to okay, 1 second. Give me a second. So now, so forget about how big your SQL query is. Got it? So what you can do, if you want, you can going to add it into your insert statement or create statement. Both you can do. See now. So I got some columns here. So you will going to create only on depends on this. You can going to insert and you can going to use it into create also. Both create with select, insert with select, whatever it is you want, you can going to select it. The thing is, what is the condition? If you are going to using insert with select and create with select, so what should be you need to take care of before?
I did not understand.
See, whenever you are going to using create insert with select and create with select, so what you need to check before?
The syntax?
Yes. See now suppose what is this sub data? Okay, let me take this. Now supplier name. Now supplier underscore name. Is it possible now? Under
Yeah.
supplier. Okay. One more is supplier ID. Now
Yes.
what happened? What is this error?
Maybe you don't have supplier ID in structure of that
So
or the whole
that
table.
is the what I'm asking. You should have to take care of the structure should be available in both the things. Got it right?
Yeah.
So whenever you are going to using insert with select and create with select, at the time the structure should have to you should have to take care of the existing table and new table both. Okay. So now why this error? Yes, tell me where I need to put, what it is missing here.
Value?
That is the what I'm telling, madam. Try to understand here. So here, how many columns are there? Total 6 columns are there. Here,
Mm-hmm.
how many columns I selected?
Only
Only
one
one
column.
column. This select statement, what will going to give you?
Only one column
Only
value.
only one column data. Here, this table 1 is how much it is there? How many
6.
columns are there? 6 columns are there. But this table is going to accepting 6 columns. Understood? And
Okay,
this is
so you
going to
mean
giving only one.
both the
Both
tables should
the,
have 6 columns.
it should be going to match with the data types columns.
Okay.
Structure should be matched. That is the what I'm telling. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Right. So shall I move on to the next?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. So everywhere you can going to use the select statements into where class. So that is the where class. How you want, you can going to use it into your own way. Okay. So
Mhm.
let me take some other table. I'm going to using here different tables. Okay, for your understanding.
Okay.
So this is the table. So I put it. Now suppose I want to pick, this is the PO purchase order information. So here I want to pick it only standard purchase orders. How I can do, madam?
Where
Uh,
look
Type
type
lookup code
code equal to
hmm,
standard.
equal to
Equal
standard.
to standard.
Standard. So that means whatever it is going to matching, that information will come, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now you got this information. And now again, I want to pick in this level again. So one more thing. Suppose I want to know how many POs are coming on this specific vendor ID or this bill to location ID. I want to take it as a bill to location ID. How many POs are coming, standard POs under this bill to location ID? 204. How I can do?
And
And
that column equal to
204.
4.
Okay. So you got it right now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now you see data is going to filtering always. Whatever you are going to you are adding always it is filtering. Now summary column either n or enabled column, I want to take both. If it is this n is there, then I want to pick the record. If this is y is there and I want to pick the record, both conditions should have to match, should
And
have to true.
summary
uh,
flag equal to n,
mm-hmm,
and
okay,
enable flag equal to y.
you try to understand. If any one is true, then I want to pick the record.
Or
R, right. So that is the what I'm expecting. R enable flag is Y. So now you are following, right, how our SQL query is going to
mm-hmm.
building.
Mm-hmm.
So it depends on the client requirement. Okay. So you
Mm-hmm.
will going to add it like this way. So
Mm-hmm.
you should have to put the bracket always. R condition, right? So you can add. And now you can go and you can see now the segment 1 is coming 500, 502, 503, 504 like this it is showing, right?
Mm-hmm.
So suppose sometimes zigzag it will going to show. Now you can going to say, so this data is in order by everything. Let me, I want to see what is the latest PO when it is created. See now here last updated date is there here, but this is the older date. I want to see when it is going to created the recently which PO is created. How I will going to know? You have to put into what it is that order by
Mm-hmm.
last updated date. So Manse, you are following, right?
Yes.
So I'm explaining the business and telling the syntax. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
this is the all these are going to purchase order information. In this purchase order, you want to know which order is going to created recently.
Mm-hmm.
So now order by I put this date. So that is it is going to coming here. It is like this. But if you put into descending order, automatically now you can tell me, madam, which order is created recently?
9 to 9
9th
for
April.
2009, 19,
Right, right. 9th means September 4th to
2019.
2019 created. So now how you will going to get this information? Last updated date, descending order you are putting. Normal ascending order means
First
from
created date. So
right.
9 to 2019.
Suppose now 1 to 10 is there. Ascending order means 1 to 10. Descending means 10 to 1.
One. Yeah.
Clear now?
Yes.
So this is the way you can going to check it. Now, so one more. Suppose user want to pass some data here. Whatever they want, user want to pass the data here. So let me one more. Conditions you will going to arithmetic operators you will going to see now. Let's move on. So these two are done. Now moving on to operators. So here we can see the arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators. Arithmetic operators, you will going to see that addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, comparison operators, equal, not equal, less than, greater than. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so these all condition, between, not between condition, in condition, not in condition, null condition, not null, like operator, and or not conditions we will going to use. So
Mm-hmm.
how we will going to use this information? Okay. Now
Mm-hmm.
suppose now here it is 6,200 to 6,500. Now I want to query to get the POs. Right. Let me write it. Query to get the POs between 6,200 to 6,500. So how we will going to do, madam? Now tell me. So
Select
whatever
start
the
from
yes, whatever the condition, the table is there already. We done this. Now we will going to add into one more condition here.
condition.
POs are coming from in this table segment.
Segment 1.
Hmm.
Mm,
Between
between 6,200 to 6,500.
right. Why I selected in single quotes? Because this is a varchar too. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
You can see only that range POs you can see here. Okay. But see 6,200, right? But here it is coming 642 also. Why it is coming? The reason is other statements, other and conditions also going to true. So I will show you here. 1 second. Now I don't want to this condition. Okay, I will going to remove this. Only I will going to execute this condition. Now you can see exactly only that, but still maybe this 1 second. It should not going to show that, right? 600 and all. See,
Mm-hmm.
622 is 622 also showing. So that means how this condition is going to satisfy. Okay. Fine. So see, sometimes Toad will not support here. Between 6,200 to 6,500, only that range should have to come. Okay. If you are
Mm-hmm.
putting not between, what will happen?
Not that range. Apart from 6,200 to 6,500,
Right.
others will come.
Right. So it will going to like that. Now, not between, you can going to use. So 1 second. Not between. So other range it will come. Okay. Now suppose I want to use into different in condition. Now I want to use only specific departments, 20 and 50. How we will going to do?
Where?
Only 1 second. I will write it the condition here. Query to get department 20 and 30. Query to get department department number 20 and 30. 20 and 30. Where
Where?
you can write
Department
DB
ID
number equal department number. Yeah. In
number
condition you can use. Okay.
in 20,
Count
30.
30. Right. So that means whatever it is there in the in condition, it will going to pick that information. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
DEPT number. So are you clear, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. If it is, I don't want these two range remaining all the data I want. So you will going to use into not in. Not in. Okay. So remaining all it is coming. Okay. And if you want whenever you want to more than department 10. So how you query to get all the values more than 10th department. More than 10. Okay, I will go. This example is not clear. Query to get salary. Query to get employee salary more than 2000. So more than 2000. So
Greater
now
than where employee, I mean where
shall start from EMP
sal
where hmm,
sal greater than 2,000.
right,
Symbol.
right, clear. So it's
Mm-hmm.
all are coming more than that, right? So here you can see. Now more than are equal to who are there in that 2000. Now suppose I'm going to putting this. Now did this 65050 it will come? That value people will come?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
No, right. Only that value will people will not come. If it is more than who are there, only those people will come. More than 10 means 10 will not come. So now including 10 also I want. How I can get?
Equal, more than or equal to 10.
Right. So that is the what. So more than. So that means greater than or equal to.
Mm-hmm.
So now you got. The similar kind is going to you can use into less than. You can use into less than or equal to. Okay. See,
Mm-hmm.
only one record, only one record. Less than or equal to you can do. Now you can tell me any range I can able to do.
Huh?
Range. Query to get the salary between 5,000 to 10,000 or suppose
Select
something.
select start from employees where salary between uh, what is the amount?
Whatever it is, that's fine, no issues. So 64500 to 7,000, 70,000.
Okay.
500 and to 7,000. 70,000 I put. Tell me, madam, now.
Select start from employee where
Hmm.
salary between that
No,
amount.
I don't want to use between. I don't want to use between. So how we can do?
In
In condition, how is it between data will come? In means whatever you mentioned in, it will come that. Correct, madam. See now, between means this is above this salary, below this salary. You want to get the data, right? Exactly.
greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to.
Right. So that is the what expecting. Okay. Sal
Uh,
greater than.
Greater than that amount, 6,450,
So okay. Greater than 6 4.
500,
Okay. And
and less than symbol
hmm, hmm,
7,000.
70,000. Okay. Uh, See now. Understood now? If you
Mhm.
want to including 6450 and 70,000 also,
You have to put equal sign beside those symbols.
uh, right. So I hope you understood, right?
Uh-huh.
So how to use this? So not only this amounts, madam, you can going to use it for anything.
Okay.
You can going to use it for jobs. Jobs you can't comparison. You can going to use it for anything. This commission, salaries, whatever it is. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And then now one more thing is now I want to take it as a whose name is starts with S. I want to query to get all employees whose name starts with S.
So where percentage symbol,
Right. Starts
yes.
with S. Right. So now where
Where
e name
e name equal to,
like okay,
quotes in between quotes.
yes, starts with S.
Mm-hmm. So only it's whichever
Starts with
starts
is
with.
the starts with S means percentage you have to put after that S.
Okay.
See now, start. Now ends with yes,
Before you.
percentage yes. Before you have to put. Okay,
Mhm.
keep on mind this. Right. So and anywhere is yes.
Huh?
The name anywhere is
Front and back both percentage.
okay. Right. So you understood, right?
Mm-hmm.
Starts with the second letter as uh, D. Second letter as D.
So A,
Second letter as D. Starts with second letter as D.
okay.
Adams. Second letter D. Underscore. Underscore means you are skipping the first letter and searching from second letter onwards.
Oh, okay.
Okay, ending with the second letter as M. Adams. M is there. So in that case, sorry. Yeah, please. Second ends with the second letter as M. Ends with second second letter as M. How we can do, madam? Percentage underscore M. Sorry. underscore. Right? Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Are you clear? Last one.
Yes.
Okay. So now this is the like operator. So you can going to use the like operator like this way. So is there anything is missing here? Null conditions. Okay. Query to get null conditions. Query, now select star from EMP. So now what we can do? So here we can see some null information. Query to get who don't have the commission. Query to get employees. Employees who don't have commission. Tell me, madam.
Select star from EMP where
Hmm.
commission
Is null.
is null.
Okay, only one person. Who have the commission? If you want to get who
Is
have the
not null.
commission, yes, EMP where commission is not null. Understood? So you can going to apply this like this way. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and then now select star from EMP. Now the data is there, right? I want to pass the department as a parameter. Where DPT number equal to, you can going to pass it as a P underscore department number. It's
I did not
a
understand
runtime.
the question.
Yeah. This is a parameter. So now, so here it is going to, will going to pass a parameter. So you will going to, 1 second. I don't know why this is not going to taking this. It should going to take this. This toad is sometimes it's not. See here, you runtime you should have to pass a parameter here. Parameter is nothing but a, instead of constant value, you will going to pass the value runtimely. It should have to take this. Uh, Not sure why it is not supporting this toad. Let's
Maybe, no need to
yeah.
put semicolon everywhere.
No, it should be required. Bind parameter we can call. If you are not putting anything, that will going to equal condition, right?
Mm-hmm.
Some toad set up some, maybe something it is missing here in the toad level. Normally what we're going to do, we're going to put a bind parameter here. If you are running this, automatically it will going to ask the
Value.
parameter. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So that is not asking. So that is the what maybe some toad setups is missing. Okay. Anyhow, I will check and then let you know. So are you clear of this all the things today
Yes.
so far? And arithmetic operators not yet done. So now
Okay.
suppose, simply you can going to add this salary, uh, salary plus 100. Plus 100 means on the salary it is going to adding the 100.
Mm-hmm.
Got it right? So you can going to salary sal into 2, suppose double it will come into 2, sal minus 10,000. Okay, salary divided by 100, salary divided by 100 also you can going to do. See now, this is the original salary. If you are going to adding 100, it is added. If it is multiplying, double it is coming. If you are deducting 10,000, then it is deducting. If you are going to divide it by,
Mm-hmm.
then it is coming. So these all arithmetic operators, how it is going to helping you understood, right?
Yes.
Not only this, madam. Again, you can column to column can do. Select the salary plus commission. You can do this also. from dual. From EMP table. You got me?
Mm-hmm.
Sal, comma, commission, comma, sal. Sal plus commission. That means total salary, right?
Mm-hmm.
Salary plus commission means a total salary only, right?
Yeah.
So that is the what you can do. So so you hope you understood how you are going to using the arithmetic operators.